All right, everyone, today I just want to make a quick video on how to boost a Nissan Qashqai, or in the States, a Rogue Sport. So the Qashqai or Rogue Sport has kind of a unique thing. You're going to take the air box off in order to boost the battery. It's not very hard. You'll either need booster cables or a booster pack like this. So the first thing we have to do is just remove a little pin right here. This is where your air filter is. You just lift open this tab, pull this out, and set it aside. Now, the next thing is there's just a clip over here. You're just gonna lift with your fingers, and we're gonna pull this straight up. Once we remove this, you'll see the battery exposed. And it's very simple. You always go red to red. Red is positive. Start with that one. Hook up your cables, make sure you have a good connection. Then it's black to black. Have a good connection. Go in, hit the push button start the vehicle, then take this off the same way. Black off first, and red off. Then we're gonna put back on the air intake. So this is important. On the air intake, you really wanna line up the back portion first. It slides in there. If not, you will break this. We're gonna put that just in here. Once we have that in, take our push pin, put that back in, and then just push that down. Voila, that's it.